What's up, my good friends? So here we have the 800mm f11 RF lens along with the 2x extender, and with this extender, this 800mm lens turns into a 1600mm f22 lens. But let's open this guy up first. I'm actually pretty jazzed. Okay, so we got the pouch, a little case for the extender. I'm very jazzed for this combo, to be honest. 1600mm, that's crazy. And the extender is in here, and bubble wrap, heavy, solid. Careful, careful, careful. Ooh, nice, very cool. I'm digging this. It feels like a rock. It feels completely solid, very heavy. Nice, cool. It looks like high quality as well. Look at that. That's awesome. And at the top, the glass is actually like sticking out. Like you can actually see it right here. Look at that. So this piece of glass right here gets really close to the sensor. Now, from what I know, this extender only works on the 800 and the 600 and another lens that'll be coming out as well. And let's do the 800mm RF lens. Pretty cool, just instructions, nothing crazy. Cover, case. The lens itself feels very light. It's tall, that's for sure, but it feels light. Nice, nice, nice. Bubble wrap. Plastic. Hollow, nothing crazy. And okay, so we have 3 switches: the focus to infinity, the manual to autofocus, and the image stabilization switch right here on the side. And then right here we have the focusing ring, and here we have the control ring that you can customize. You cannot customize it, or probably you can customize it to change your aperture, but it won't work because this lens is fixed at f11. It won't go any higher or lower. Now I am digging this 1/4 inch thread here at the bottom, because that means that I can attach this Peak Design plate on here. Nice. And so I can have this on the Peak Design clip, just like that, attached to my belt, and we are good to go. It's cool that this lens is image stabilized, but you know what? Let's do a quick comparison. Let's compare it with the 24 to 240 RF lens and the 28 to 70 RF lens. Pretty cool. You know, the photography industry kind of reminds me of like the video gaming industry. You have Canon being like Nintendo, and then you have Sony being like PlayStation, where Sony makes a powerful system, powerful camera body. The camera body would be like the system, and the lenses would be like the game. And Nintendo doesn't make the most powerful, home consoles, but they make the best games. And Canon doesn't make the best, camera bodies, but they make the best lenses, the best games. And it's all about the games. It's always all about the game. So this right here would be like God of War 3. This would be like Metal Gear Solid 4. And this would be like Smash Brothers. You know what? Let's put this away. And no, that's not what we're doing. What we are going to do is we're gonna put this on here. Nice. 240mm, you can go over here. And so we turn it on, and it says you cannot shoot because it's still not unlocked. And so the way to unlock it is by turning this and then sliding this out, and then boom. Look at that. That's a pretty hefty little piece of equipment we have right here. Now it's really light. It's like extremely light. And so yeah, so right here we are at 800mm f11. Pretty cool. nothing crazy, or it is a little crazy, but let's get crazy. We're gonna put this guy on here, and we gotta line up the little red dots. Boom. Now we are at 1600 millimeter f/22, and yeah, I'm really excited to go shooting with this. It's like a telescope that I'm attaching to the Canon R, but yeah, I'll leave you with some samples because tonight I'll be shooting probably the moon. And I hope you like this unboxing. Quick and easy video, nothing crazy, and thank you very much.